leave your girl around me, true player for real. Ask my nigga for
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and let's get into this hairstyle. So you guys already know rule number one, make sure your hair is hydrated, and I put conditioner on my ends because you know they curly or whatnot. So yeah, get some gel and we gonna get this thing popping. So what you're gonna do is add the gel to both sides and twist it like you would just be doing a twist to the scalp, and basically just keep twisting all the way back until you feel like you done, and that's where you want to end it at. Put a rubber band on that thing and then just look at the magic. Just watch. So yeah, this style is perfect for in between a retwist if you want to just, you know, freshen it up a little bit. It's super cute, super easy, and did not take long at all. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Also, leave a comment. Let me know what you think.